Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool ribbon right here, and basically what this is some products from Dior. If you can see the ribbon on here is very similar to another one that I viewed in the past. But you can see for the packaging for this one is still like the contour white packaging. And the reason why it's not like all red or like a Lunar option is because it's not available yet. They mentioned how there's like a shipment delay or something and it won't be available until after the 23rd. So I'm assuming after the 23rd of Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year, that is basically when the packaging is available. So if you guys still want the packaging, then wait until then to purchase it. But inside the package, we do have some limited edition Lunar New Year stuff. So I'm actually opening up to show you guys what it actually looks like. So I'm gonna take out the ribbon first. And let's open it up. Once you guys open it up, you can see inside we also have the envelope like last time. So they basically provide you guys 3 of them that you can use for yourself or you can give it as a gift. You can see the design definitely looks pretty nice. Next thing inside, they do provide you guys like a return label if you guys need to return it for whatever reason. And right near that, we do have some wrapping with a Dior sticker on there. Once you guys open it, here is basically what the inside looks like. So you can see we do have a lot of stuff inside, but let's take it all out. So the first thing inside right here, we do have some lucky money or lucky envelope, which is basically the same as these right here. So whether if you guys want to collect it or if you guys want to keep it as a souvenir, that is totally up to you guys. But inside right here, there's a total of 8 of them. You can see how they do tell you guys on here that there is 8 of them. And it's all nicely wrapped up and sealed, so that way you know it's brand new, which is pretty nice. And it's like perfect if you guys want to get it as a gift for someone else. So really cool how they do provide you guys the option if you guys use the code. Next thing inside, they do provide you guys a miniature option that I selected myself. So this is basically the luxury option in a small little bottle. So let's open it. Here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see the product is actually very small and very compact, which is very convenient, especially when you guys are traveling. If you guys do open it, it's basically a tap-on design for you guys to just tap it onto your wrist when you guys want to use it. But once you guys are done, you can close it up. So that is basically what the miniature looks like for the luxury option. Next thing inside, we do have another little bag. And in this bag right here is the samples. So let's open it. Here are basically the 2 samples that I picked. So one of them is a perfume salvage option. And the other one right here is the Miss Dior, the EDT. And that is basically what the inside looks like for this one. And here is the other one. So these are actually very convenient, especially when you guys are traveling. And for the smaller bag, you do have the option to carry stuff inside right here when you guys are traveling or something, which is pretty nice. So that is what's included in the small little bag. Next thing inside right here, we do have the lipstick option or the discovery kit. You can see it actually looks pretty nice, and it does have the name on there, Dior. But if you guys do open it, I like to open from the bottom so that way you can keep the shape of the product and the ribbon as well. So inside they do have a little piece of paper to show you guys what's included inside. But inside right here we do have the product, so let's do take it out. You can see how it's honestly wrapped up. But right here we see we do have the lipstick. If you guys do open it, if you guys turn it, this is basically what the lipstick looks like. So it does say Dior on here, and the bottom right here does say CD for Christian Dior. So once you guys are done using it, you can close it up and put it away for next time to use. So just like that. And then right here we do have the very last thing. You can see they do have the limited edition packaging for this one. And that's tell you guys what's on here, which is basically the Miss Dior EDP option. But let's open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open it, this is basically what the product looks like. And see how luxury the packaging looks like when you guys do get it. So this part right here is the front, here is the side, and right here is the back. And the way how they designed the middle part right here is magnetic. So let's do open it. That is basically what the inside looks like. And if you guys take this part out, this foam part right here is basically to protect it, to prevent it from moving around and shifting around when you guys do get it. So once you guys do take it out, this is basically what the inside looks like. If you see the design of the packaging and everything looks very nice and very luxury. It's a very nice collectible option if you guys do like to collect it. But let's take everything out to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first thing inside right here, we do have the Miss Dior EDP option. If you see the design for this one, it definitely looks very nice compared to the previous version. It's basically a new ribbon design. The size of the mount inside right here should be 3.4 fluid ounce, which is more than enough to last you guys for a while. And when you guys see the materials on here, it is glass, so it's actually very high quality. But right here is basically what the bottle looks like in the front. Here is the side, here is the back, here is the bottom, and right here is the top. You can see how the top part it does say CD for Christian Dior. And once you guys are ready to use it, you basically want to just open it, just like that. So you guys do have to pull it open. It's not like a magnetic design like the luxury option, but inside for the spray option it does say CD as well. And then right here we do have the spray option. So before I show you guys everything else inside, let's spray a little bit onto my wrist to see what it smells like. Alright. Just rub it. Alright, so let's let it dry a little bit. And while it's drying up, let's close it back up. And now if you guys smell it. So when you guys smell it, it definitely gives you guys that floral scent just like any of the other Miss Dior product. And because the product is like an EDP option, it is pretty powerful. More powerful than the EDT, but not as powerful as the perfume or luxury option, like the salvage option for men. But now let's show you guys what else is inside. So next thing inside right here, they do give you guys a little piece of paper, a little card. So they do have it in Chinese, and they also have it in English. So very nice how they do give you guys a little card to explain like the art piece and the artwork on here, and also to wish you a happy new year when you guys do get it. And the last thing inside is basically a star. So if you guys ever shop at Dior store, they will give you guys a star like I mentioned in my previous video, in terms of silver star and the gold star. But I can see for this one in particular, it's like a limited edition star. It does say Dior on there, but it has a very unique design on here, just like the box. So you can see how when I bring it a little bit closer, you can see the design on there looks so much nicer. And for the string that's on here is different as well. It definitely looks a lot more luxury and better than the regular stars, and it's very shiny, you can see. So that is basically everything that's included inside. Once you guys are done, you can close back up. If that's in here, when you guys close it up, it sounds so high quality and very luxury. It definitely feels very high quality like a collectible box, which is perfect for the Lunar New Year. So obviously when you guys purchase any kind of perfume, whether for women or men, it is better for you guys to purchase it online because they give you guys a nicer packaging and they give you guys a lot of sample. And there's other gifts depending on when you guys purchase it. For example, earlier when I showed you guys like the lucky money, the little baggie to hold the miniature gifts, which is really nice because not a lot of brand does that. I believe for the Chanel brand, they do give you guys a box as well. And then if you guys purchase stuff from YSL, they don't give you guys any like special box. And if you guys are curious about what I mean, feel free to check out my old video that I reviewed for the YSL product, Chanel product, and then for Dior product. You guys can see that I do like Dior products so much more than any other brand because they do treat you guys well in terms of the packaging, etc. So if you guys want my honest opinion in terms of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys will need one of these. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.